Still there, Bob? Howdy, hi there, friends and neighbors. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have been gone for a while. I'm just working a ton. A lot of work, a lot of hours. The weather's been killing us. The runs are big, but the weather's just been miserable. But anyway, I'm getting out of the funk. That's the thing. So I had a couple people ask me about like doing a walk around of the car. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little walk around of the car now, and then we're going to get after taking this thing apart. But that won't be in this video. But I'm going to kind of go over the game plan of what I'm going to do and what we're going to get after. So stick with me and I'll show you around the old 55. Hang on. Okay, so we'll start in the front, and what we got here is a good old 406 Chevy. It's got a set of Brodix heads on it, small flat tappet cam, just a run-of-the-mill 10.5 to 1 motor. Nice little piece. I'm really happy with it. Car run good. Car drives around really nice. I've got a custom 750 on it that I did a bunch of work to, and then my buddy Phil restored for me. And I'll show you that once we start tearing the front end of the car apart. But this is kind of what we got going on here. Okay, inside the old Chevy, nothing special. Nice stock dash. It's got a little too modern of a tack for me, but I like the old gauges. You can see the now and a girl Muncie 4-speed. Yeah, I love that. Even got the line lock button on it. Grab the key to the trunk here. But you can see the, let's see, let's turn this up again. You can see the roll cage that's in the car. And where it is, if you look at it according to the door, you see how far back it is. It's really not fun getting in and out of this car. Matter of fact, I hate it. So as soon as the rockers are on it, I'm cutting that bar out. It goes up and goes over into the panelless switch panel, which all that's going to be eliminated. Everything's going to go back on the key. The roll cage that's in it. I don't like the roll bar going through there because I can't. I want to put the back seat back in it. So that's all going to get changed. As you can see. Alright, so look in here. You can see what I'm up against with the floors and the rockers. These rockers are just caps, so this has got to get all cut out. I've got the rockers for it, which I'm getting after, and I'm going to tear the car apart and start cutting that out. That is my next projecto. Okay, now we're back in the trunk. Hi, buddy. So we're in the trunk here, and not a lot's going to happen back here. This is all staying stock. The only thing I am going to do is I'm going to do a delete of the spare tire well. I just want to have more area. Got a battery box back here that they have installed. This is all coming out. The stock gas tank is coming out of it. The stock gas tank has been cut down. So, I want to put a stock sized. Now this is where the roll bar went through the floor, and it actually goes down to outriggers on the frame. I will probably have the bars come through the package tray, and they won't be able to get there, but we will figure that out when that time comes. But this is all, I'm just going to cut the bar off and grind the plate smooth, be done with it. But I mean, the floors are all in good shape back here. We just had so that's what's going on back here. Okay, this is a molding that, like a door edge molding that they had stuck on this wheel well, and it's coming off. I want to do what Chris did over at Ironhead Garage and do the transline deal. That's going to be a project yet to happen once I start tearing into this. But I want to take, it's got a Holley electric pump in it and steel braided line. I want to get all the fuel lines out of the car. I want to do all that, but I kind of wanted to show what the car looks like now. It's got a Dana 60 with a 48 gear in it. It's got strange axles in it. It's got a good parts. I mean, it was a race car and it ran in the gas classes. I mean, newer classes, not old classes, but who knows. If anybody is looking for, I have a Lexan back window. Let's see how it's mounted in here. And I'd like to see, I don't want to just throw them away. I'd like to see somebody get them. Somebody wants to hit me up. The side windows here, these are Lexan. This passenger door is Lexan. The driver's door is glass. I don't know why. The front windshield is also Lexan, but I'm putting all the glass back in the car. I want to seal it up. I want to be able to drive the car. If it rains, I don't want to turn it into a bathtub. I got some cleaning up to do and painting. I'm going to have to take all these screws out in the front and the back and then weld the holes up and then seal everything real nice. I've been slacking. I really have, but it's time to get after this thing and get her done, as they say. So let me open the door here. You can see. Let's see what it's got digital 7A or 6 digital 6AL2 box in it. And it looks like some sort of a retard system. I never used this. I always ran digital 7 stuff. But this is all going to get mounted in a different place, wired differently. But see, the dashboard's sweet. It's still got the stock steering wheel in it, which I love. I'm hoping to be able to move this seat back some more See, this is the other problem right here. See how this, they have the, I actually started to cut this bar out. I started to cut that bar off of it, the downward bar that goes down, and the seat won't go back any further, the back of the seat. So, like Brian's BW Garage, his bar comes to here and then it kicks back. This one just went straight up and down. So I need to have this bar here moved all the way over to here, and that'll give me room for the seat to slide back where I want it. So, but I'm not even worried about the roll bar. If the roll bar don't even go in the car this year, I'm not worried about it. But this is what you can see, the patches that they put in the floor. And see what they did there. And I just kind of got the seat in the car. I did move it back a little bit. You can see there, but I'm 6'5" and I'm 360. So my belly and my legs don't work in this car. So I'm gonna move stuff around. Well, as you can see, she's up in the air. I got her on jack stands. Jack stands are maxed out, so, but I got plenty of room to get underneath the car. It doesn't look that high, but it really is. I pulled the exhaust off, as you heard in the beginning. This is the exhaust that I had made for the car last year. The muffler shop by the house did a really nice job on this. For a quickie, I need it now. I want to drive the car exhaust. So they did a real good job. Props to Mike Repair, the ex-Meineke in Joliet. So this is kind of the calm before the storm video. I just want to let you guys know that I'm still alive, and we're going to be getting after this thing. So hey, do me a favor and like, share, and please subscribe. We're going to really start tearing into this car. Should be, I got to go pick up my 6-speed either Saturday or Sunday for this car. I got a T56 6-speed for it. So either Saturday or Sunday, everything will be out except the nose and the engine and trans, only because I want to do the rockers while the doors and the fenders and all that are on the car. I'm not taking the doors off, but while the fenders are on it, so I know everything lines up real nice. And then we're going to cut these rockers out and start replacing everything. But that's the old girl. Once the car is done, this little gem is another 406 that's a Dart little M block, RHS cylinder heads, shaft rocker arms. I've got 3 different roller cams for it. I don't know if we're going to put a blower on this thing or what we're going to end up doing with it. I got 3 different sets of pistons for it, but something's going to happen with it. We just got to I want to get everything else done. Engine is no big deal. Alright guys, look for another video in the next few days. Later. Peace.